Welcome back, my wonderful friend. Let's begin today with a touch of pure drama. Look at how beautifully the deep shadows make the light pop right off the canvas. Rembrandt is an absolute master at sharing a quiet, tender thought with us. You can just feel the deep emotion radiating from this soft golden light.
Wow, look at all this incredible movement. The artist worked so hard to arrange all these geometric shields just to tell a thrilling story. Step past this ancient archway with me. Look at how meticulously the artist carved those stone ruins. It's like traveling back in time.
My goodness, what a powerful stare. He looks incredibly strong and confident, standing tall to welcome us into his world.
Look at this perfect, elegant profile. Early Renaissance artists loved using these clean outlines to show quiet, dignified grace.
Time for a little bit of playful adventure. This crowded, whimsical little boat is absolutely packed to the brim with fun, quirky details.
Oh, a classic riddle in a hidden cave. The artist knows exactly how to make a dramatic standoff feel completely epic with his brushstrokes. Hold on tight, friend! Delacroix is taking us on a stormy, thrilling ride across the water. The deep, rich colors are just spectacular.
Let's take a soft, relaxing breath here. The way the glowing moonlight slips through the trees brings a beautiful sense of peace. Look at that beautiful, comforting glow above the water. It turns a quiet, touching moment into something completely full of grace. What an absolute joy it has been exploring these masterly stories with you today. Thank you for being such a wonderful companion. See you next time.